Biology and Technology in the Real World by Tamika Holt-May. This presentation will highlight what is a vaccine, its importance and why it's recommended, how vaccines were created, traditional methods and biotechnology, types of vaccines, impacts of vaccines, parents' concerns with vaccines, and my recommendation. What is a vaccine? As you can see, a vaccine is products that protect against different diseases. It's made of weakened strains of diseases. It prevents sickness. It increases immunity to specific diseases and increase its protection. It's also administered by injection. Why are vaccines important and recommended by the health field? Well, it reduces the chances of transmitting the disease, decreases chances of contracting diseases in the future. It ensures the safety of others and the environment, decreases chances of death, prevent costly expenses, and prevents epidemics. How are vaccines created in a traditional method? It first injects live viruses into fertilized egg. The incubated egg is then infected with a virus. Removing liquid from the egg and mix with formalin, it decreases the chances of infections. It provokes the immune response, therefore protecting it from the virus. Some vaccines are not made in this format, but are made in yeast cells. How are vaccines created using biotechnology? It uses biological organisms, systems, and processes to develop, make, or modify products. Different processes to modify living organisms for human purposes. Use of modern techniques, genetic engineering, and cell tissue culture technology. There are three common techniques as listed below. How does traditional methods and biotechnology impact the results of a vaccine? For the traditional method, the impact can be it takes longer to develop the vaccine, trial and error, insufficient results, and unreliable. For biotechnology techniques, the development is faster, it's more efficient, reliable, and there are safer results. What type of vaccines are there for children? There are many vaccines for children. We have hepatitis B, we have polio, we have smallpox, we have HIV, we have mumps, we have influenza, we have HPV, and hepatitis A, to name a few. What are the impacts of vaccines? The health benefits of vaccines is it significantly decreased infections and deaths. It eradicated diseases such as smallpox, polio, and measles. It controls global outbreaks, herd immunity, and increased life expectancy. The financial benefits of vaccines is the cost savings for family, reduction in costs for support for pandemics, and established programs for vaccine development. What are reasons parents are concerned with giving their children vaccines? Reasons such as religion, because the vaccine may have ingredients that go against their religion, personal beliefs. Some parents believe that the illness boosts the immune system, and concerns of injecting chemicals into their children. Safety concerns. Some believe that vaccines cause autism or can have long term damage, and just need for more information. They are hesitant because they just don't know. Please take a moment to read some of the supporting facts as to why some of the concerns should not be concerns for parents. My recommendation for vaccination is it can save his her life. With all the advances in science, vaccinating your child is safer than before. Children are more protected from diseases than ever in the past 2 decades. Vaccines are safer and much more efficient with significant decrease of side effects, even minimum discomfort after administered. Vaccinating your child ensures they're protected and the protection of those around them. There is always mutating diseases. If your child is vaccinated, it can decrease its chances of major impact. This concludes my presentation. Thank you for joining me. I hope the tips shared today helps you make an informed decision on whether or not you want to vaccinate your children. Thanks.